Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make this Ankara lace combination style. You'll be needing your fabric, your desired Ankara fabric, your lace, your tape rule, your scissors and your tailor's chalk. Fold your fabric into input your body measurement. Use your desired neckline. I'll be using a symmetric neckline, 3 inches by 3 inches. Cut out the neckline. Open it this way. You achieve something like this. Draft another similar bodice using your measurement on your lace. Open it this way. From your hip line, draw a straight line to the other side. Cut it out. Place the lace on the Ankara and sew together. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.